Welcome! In a quick tutorials, in this video I want to show you how you can lower and increase volume in Hitfilm Express. All you have to do, there are two options how you can do that. The first one is just when you're gonna click on your video where you have your audio, you can play around it with this line here, and when it's up, it's really loud. And when it's really down, it's low, you can't even hear it right now. And the second option is just go to controls and you will have a properties here. And you can increase the level or decrease. I just created randomly keyframe here, so I'm just going to delete it. And you can do it like that. The whole line. Up and down, round, round. Frills and chills, like Bill Hicks would say. Thank you everybody and goodbye.